Hello friends, welcome to the computer connection. My name is Gaurav Kumar. Hope you all are good. So in this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi icon missing in Windows 11. So let me show you. So here you can see the Wi-Fi icon is not showing here. So let me show you how to fix this problem. Let me start the video. So first of all, right click on Windows icon. Then click on Task Manager. Then here you have to find Windows Explorer. So let me find the Windows Explorer. So here you can see this is the Windows Explorer. So right click on that and click on Restart. So if it's still not showing Wi-Fi icon, then let me go to the second method. Let me close this. Then click on Windows search bar and search here Control Panel. Then open it. So under the view by, select the large icons here. Then find the Network and Sharing Center. Open it. Then here the right side, click on Change Adapter Setting. So here you can see the Wi-Fi option. If it is disabled, then enable it, or if it is enabled, so first disable then enable. So right click to enable, then click on enable. So it is enabling. So now it is enabled. So here you can see Wi-Fi icon is showing. In your case, if it's still not working, for next method, search on the Windows search bar Troubleshoot Setting. So here this is Troubleshoot Setting. So open it. Then click on Others Troubleshooters. Then click on Internet Connections Run option. After that, click on Troubleshoot my connection to the internet. If there is some problem in Wi-Fi, it will solve, or else it will tell you where is the problem. So in my case, there is no problem in my PC. That's why it is showing troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem. So then close it. After that, click on Network and Internet. If it is off, then turn on. Then open the Advanced Network Setting. So here you can see the Wi-Fi option. If it is disabled, then enable it, or if it is enabled, then first disable, then again enable. In my case, there is enable, so I am disabling it, then enable. And if you are facing any problem in your PC, then let me know in the comment section. Then I will provide you the solution video as soon as possible. And don't forget like and subscribe for more related videos. Thanks for watching.